Is Arkham Asylum coming to Knott's Scary Farm? We are back here at Knott's Berry Farm for some big updates regarding the former waxwork, the former bloodline. So today, it's all about construction updates and park updates. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So here at Virginia's gift shop, they're doing a full-on refresh inside this gift shop. Now, there's a lot that actually moved around, a lot of organization happening. There's some stuff that's kind of off in a sense, so where you get Fiesta Village on one side, Fiesta Village on the other side, but this is damn, they did a full-on refresh.
Welcome to Arkham Asylum!
Oh my goodness, check that out, man. Okay, so there's a lot of speculation regarding this maze right here, the former bloodlines. Now, is it going to be a Batman DC themed maze, which is Arkham Asylum? We're unsure about that just about yet. It's a big speculation out there, but again, that image right there definitely really pushes it to the point where we actually think this is going to be the stage for the first time ever a intellectual property comes to Knott's Scary Farm this year. And I would say, at the most part, looking at that footage from Entertainment Connections from the Warner Brothers Studios tour, I think Knott's Berry Farm, if they're gonna do this, they're gonna do this right. And also, what's weird is the very bottom where it says Donia, like Josh was mentioning Macedonia. Anyway, it's weird. I love how I was looking at the backstage. We get little intricate details like Judge, Jury, Executioner, which I think that's from Origins. This is awesome. This is incredible news that we're slowly but surely going to get a DC Batman themed maze here. Possibly. Speculation still. It finally went vertical. I'm talking about is former waxworks. Again, what's that maze going to be like? I have no idea. But again, it actually went full on vertical. And they're actually extending outside of the buildings. I have no idea, and I'm so excited. Again, this is going to be awesome. Also, too, as Midsummer Scream did announce that they're going to have 2 different days for panels, which is going to be this one. If you guys want to see my Midsummer Scream from last year, I'm going to have it right here as well, or down below. They're going to have Saturday is going to be the main thing, which is Knott's Scary Farm, and Sunday, which is going to be Dark Harbor and Halloween Horror Nights. That's why, in general, you guys need to subscribe to me, Adventures with David, because you know what? I'm going to be going to Universal. I'm coming to here at Knott's Scary Farm and giving you guys as many updates as I possibly can. It's crazy to say this, but the hanging did actually offend people because they actually pulled a lot of the Disney references away from hanging because they didn't appreciate Knott's Berry Farm making fun of Disney. So that's where they pull a lot of stuff. So are they going to bring back the Maleficent Dragon? I don't know. It's not for sure just about yet, but we'll be here for opening day. We'll see about the hanging if they actually bring some Disney references in. So yeah, we'll see. One of the things that did go live is this right here, the Knott's Scary Farm add-on. Dude, that is dope. You basically do exactly like this to add on to your season pass. That's dope. $155 gets you all Scary Farms. Let's go. Just make sure if you do get the season pass, you can add on to the buffet. Remember that. There are times where a lot of people do forget and they get the season pass, then they purchase a regular pass to go to a buffet. No. All you have to do is just add on the buffet. You have the season pass, and you're locked in, ready to go for the fun. All right, guys. Will Boba Knott's ever reopen? We're unsure about that. Now, was it open before? Let me know in the comment section, but I've never seen this thing actually open. After all these months, the walls are down now. The concrete has been laid. What a giant, and I'm telling you, a giant wasted space here at Knott's Berry Farm. Now, again, they do have the danger signs up here, which it kind of looks like they're going to be bringing in the extended queue for Flying Ace, but maybe stroller parking in general, but there's nothing here. Come on, Knott. You had to do better than this. There had to be a way for you to bring in an attraction here. All right, look at this. We got a brand new sign right here. Warning, restricted area. But look at, it's a brand new sign. MonteZOOMAs, there's actually no big updates for us to actually see. Loop-de-Loop was the biggest update that they brought here for Knott's Berry Farm. Well, right now it looks like they're doing more interiors. A lot of people actually came up to me and let me know they're doing more interior design. Most of the pieces are coming off of La Palma, but they're actually going in through the attraction in general. So I think at the most part, if they're gonna start doing any more construction, you're either gonna see the off-road rally go down, or you might even see the Beagle Express goes down. If you do see any one of those attractions go down, it's probably because in the most part they're doing that attraction, they're extending that attraction outwards. Be on the lookout whenever you're out here, or just tune into Adventures with David, because I'm gonna try to be here as much as possible. Okay, so what is the story of this right here? Is Milton a apparition? Unsure. And what is the story of that and that? Now it's starting to feel like Origin's Curse of Calico. It has gone vertical. That main finale itself getting prepped up. The mazes are getting prepped up. More of the walls now are getting pushed in. So awesome to definitely see Origin's Curse of Calico. Now again, like my friends have speculated, could this be the final year of Origin's Curse of Calico? Oh, that we found a mischievous cat right there. It's a Mayfield gang cat. Always watching their hideout. Since at the most part, we've been here for opening day for Ghost Town Alive. It was fantastic. It was great. There's been a lot of changes these last week or so of Ghost Town Alive, where it's been half-staffed at times. Story's kind of off in a sense where I first left off. There's been times where the Mayfields and Mad Bugs are kind of together. Then you get Pearl that's not here anymore. And you get a Mayfield that's a judge, or you get Bixby in the bank office. I don't know, it's like complete chaos. All right, so one thing I wanted to touch bases on is right there at Mystery Lodge. Now, again, we have Grandma, but it's been here for a minute. I was actually, me, Josh, and Crash were all mentioning something when they do announce the final year of Grimoire. What else would they entail there? And I actually was mentioning one thing: the Yeti, the Sasquatch, the Bigfoot. They had Bigfoot rapids here for a while. And again, this is all the wilderness location. They have this set up perfectly for Grimoire, the very beginning and the very end, where it's a campfire scene. That is so much more easy to transform that one over to the Yeti. Man, they could make it to where the Yeti actually start attacking the people, and you have to basically go through the entire maze and be attacked by the Yeti. That'd be awesome. They've done it before in Orlando. They could do it here. Dude, I would love that, because it goes with the entire scenery, and they could possibly even change the Mystery Lodge into a Yeti. I mean, they sell the Yeti merch here. It's easy for them to sell a lot of the Yeti merches, the Sasquatch merches. I don't know, but let me know in the chat below. Would you guys want to see a Bigfoot maze here at Scary Farm?
Where's the money? How dare you? 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 Mayor, come out! We need to discover if you have a plan about this financial crisis we're going through. Come on, we've been waiting all day. Well, we've been waiting for you.
All right, okay. Everybody come on in. All right. I guess we're going to have this conversation. Well, first let me just say I'm really happy that all of you came down here on Founders Day, taking time away from all the festivities and the party planning.
Well, of course we had to. The mine is out of gold.
Yeah,
Well, that is what we're here to discuss, Barrett.
well, does Town Hall have a plan?
Does the mayor have a plan?
Yeah, we're waiting.
Does the mayor have do I have a plan? Of course I have a plan. It's
So what's the plan?
It's just that plan is in the planning stages right now.
That's
Anybody have any ideas?
Well, of course, the sheriff's office could absolutely
People, please! We're never gonna hear each other if we don't stop shouting at each other. Now here, I'm gonna make a motion. Put this down. Let's table this measure for 24 hours. We'll pick it up tomorrow.
24 hours?
let's say we meet back here at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, that's just a few hours. But here's what I want from all of you. In that time, please come together. Find your friends. Find your family. Find the businesses that you know and love. Find your sense of community. That's what's going to get us through this dark time, all right? We're going to listen to all the best ideas and put them to a vote. And ultimately, you, the citizens of Calico, will decide the fate of our beloved town. Does that sound equitable?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you, good citizens. And in the meanwhile, I implore you, please, while that sun is still shining, today is still Founders Day. Go out there and find something to celebrate. Maybe not for the last time.
Dude, how funny. I'm here for like an update video, a quick in and out, and I still get sucked into Ghost Town Alive. It just takes that one little instance and you're sucked right into it. It's so much fun. If you guys haven't, like, it's kind of up and down, but you get sucked into it pretty fast. Look at, someone forgot their sweatshirt. Scream 6. Alright guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure. We stopped by here at Knott's Berry Farm to give you guys some scary farm updates, construction updates, park updates, and just had some fun times over at Ghost Town Alive. Now if you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, give it an awesome thumbs up. If you guys love theme park construction updates like this, make sure right now you guys are subscribed if you guys haven't just about yet. And now, we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.